KCTV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordan mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Preston Tensong ulapan pau ke jingsku kendit banyi i ba All India Trinamool Congress leni ke TMC ke Kwah inline permit hari ni ke Jelau. Uba Preston loong ba menchua kapur balong Menteri Rangba Dr. Mukul sangma ula Kyrngah adu sispa Sien ba Treh ban pentrekam ya ke ILP hari ni ke Jelau. Mat hagi tu kipur kala miru ke huri hura ke pentut ya ke songsuk songsain Henry Mynta pat uloong ba Ukraine da Hongkong bat ukwa ILP penban. Uba Preston mulai tu mayak ILP adep sim dakarai hak yeng dorba tau ain jela bat ke sarkar kan saya keren biang bau Menteri Rangba du keri Narendra Modi hak sengi bauan Shashlong.
I was surprised. The very same person that time when he was the chief minister of Meghalaya, he was the one who was deadly against implementation of ILP. And again now he's sing different tune. Just because he became leader of opposition. So I think you need to ask from Dr. Mukul Sangma, what is wrong with you? At that point of time, you are deadly against implementation of ILP. And what happened now, just because you sitting opposite the treasury bench, you saying again, we need ILP. So let public, let people of Meghalaya judge, and let people of Meghalaya also find out his true color on this particular issue. Why I left Congress Party, you need to understand one thing. That time I was minister, I was part of it. That's what I said, because he himself said, we don't need ILP. That's what I'm saying confidently, because he himself, he said in the cabinet 100 times, we don't need ILP. Because I was part of the government. And then ultimately why I came out, I resigned from Congress is because of him. So therefore, no need to talk about that. But my statement stands. And my question to Dr. Mukul Sangma, being the leader of opposition, is why at that point of time, you said very, very clearly, no ILP. And you knew at that time, law and other problem has already started crop up with so many NGOs. And then now, why did you again, the very same person says, we need ILP? I'm not talking about the political party. Because see, we passed the resolution. The resolution was passed inside the house. And you need to understand one thing, that the inside the house is the only forum where we can take any decision. So at that point of time, resolution was passed unanimously. Irrespective, the honorable members are from which party. But ultimately, I made to understand that all the 60 MLAs, since they were unanimous, means even their party were in favor of ILP. In fact, my understanding is he will not stay long. He will just come for 2 programs. But that program, so we are yet to get the finalization of it unless the PNO office confirm it. So I can't say right now. But of course, our wish is to meet him since he is coming to the state. We wanted as MDA government to meet him again to remind these 2 pending issues. One is ILP and number 2 is the language.